In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for IF7. That's iodine heptafluoride. We'll put the least electronegative atom in the center of the Lewis structure. That's the iodine. And then we'll put 7 fluorine atoms around the iodine. Okay, I've done my best here. Next, let's count up the valence electrons for IF7. Iodine has 7 plus fluorine, same group as iodine, group 17 or 7A. Fluorine has 7. We have 7 fluorines, so it's 49 plus 7, 56 total valence electrons for the IF7 Lewis structure. So we'll put electrons between the iodine and the fluorines to show the chemical bonds. You'll notice right away that iodine has more than 8 valence electrons around it, but that's okay. Iodine can have an expanded octet with more than 8 valence electrons. So next, we'll put electrons around each of the fluorines to complete its octet. So this is a bit messy. We've got a lot of electrons in this expanded octet. That means we've got 7 different bonds coming off here. But you can see each fluorine has 8 valence electrons. And then the iodine, it has more than 8, has an expanded octet, but that's okay for iodine. Sometimes you'll see these bonding electrons here replaced with a single line. That can make the Lewis structure cleaner. But either way, this is the Lewis structure for IF7. We've used all 56 valence electrons. Each of the fluorines has an octet, and in the iodine in the center, it has its expanded octet. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.